Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I will be reviewing this TIKKA Masala curry sauce. It comes in a 12.7 ounce glass jar, and it also has an orange tint to it. It also comes with a small sealed container with dry seasoning attached to the cover. As far as the scent, it smells like ground spices. The sauce is very thick and chunky, and it looks very oily. I have 5 chicken legs that I have skinned, soaked in vinegar water, and rinsed under cool running water. I'm starting off by lightly sprinkling some meat tenderizer to both sides of my chicken legs. Next, I'm adding some seasoned salt, some meat seasoning, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, Next, I'm adding 4 teaspoons of the curry sauce, as well as the entire content of the dry seasoning and spices. Then I'm using my clean hand to massage the seasoning and spices onto my chicken legs. I'm lightly sprinkling some dry thyme, I'm also massaging some onion powder onto my chicken legs. Once I'm done, I'm going to let it marinate covered for about 20 minutes. As my chicken was marinating, I have preheated 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to add my seasoned chicken to that preheated oil. I'm giving my chicken a quick stir, then I'm going to cook it covered on medium heat until my chicken is slightly brown. I'm adding 2 cups of water to the bowl that I was marinating my chicken in to add to my pot. Then I'm adding an additional 1.5 cups of water to my pot. After a quick stir, I'm going to bring it to a boil on medium heat, covered. After tasting my sauce, I noticed that it was pretty bland, so I added a little bit of seasoning salt as well as some onion powder and also a chicken cube. I also noticed during my taste test that I barely noticed any taste of curry, so I added a small amount of curry powder. I use my spatula to mix in the extra curry flavor. Then I continue to cook at a medium heat for an additional 25 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Now this is what curry is supposed to smell and taste like. This is why it is very important to taste your food while you're cooking. And don't just go by the measurements. I served my curry chicken with some yellow rice. My overall thoughts on this tikka masala curry sauce was that I was very disappointed from the start when I saw how much oil it came with. Also, the taste was pretty bland in my sauce, and usually curry with masala has a great flavor. As you can see, I had to add my own spices and seasonings to bring back that curry flavor into my sauce and my chicken. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.